holiday season is coming really fast. I'm slowing my activity down, taking some quality time with my friends and family, taking some time to reflect, and you should too. Let me tell you why. It is so easy to become overwhelmed and worked up these days, looking for new clients, social media, marketing, learning new skills, and staying up to date with whatever's going on around us. In the rush, we overlook things, so taking the time to step back and reflect to see the bigger picture, I believe it is necessary. When we get a hold of ourselves and gain perspective, we can then refocus. And you know what? Reflection can also give us some time to soak in others' perspectives as well. The other day I was watching a video from YouTuber photographer Jessica Kobayashi, hope I'm not saying her name wrong, and basically she was critiquing, reviewing her past work, which pushed me to do the same. It was great to do so. I can clearly see how my work has evolved through the years, and it also reminded me what not to do in future photo shoots. But I also saw that in some of my recent posts on Instagram, I kind of made weird choices. The reason for this is really simple. These pictures were made, edited during a time of stress. I had a lot of work, I had tight deadlines, and I kind of rushed things. I had to work fast, I did too many edits at once, I was tired, and it shows. So basically, reflection lets you learn from your past mistakes. It's totally okay, it happens. Don't let these mistakes take you down or hinder you from reaching your potential. Figure out where you went wrong and then find a way to fix and avoid those mistakes from happening again. Mistakes and failures are huge learning tools. Let them happen. They will help you in the process of becoming a better photographer. Slowing things down, taking a step back, I believe is necessary. And creatively, reflection, what I love about it is that it helps me sometimes to get new ideas. Some of my best ideas, according to me, have come from times of great reflection in my life. Times when I wasn't even making any images. Go read a book, go to museums, go watch a movie. Sometimes ideas sparked from passions and experiences that are not even related or have nothing to do with work in photography. So put your camera down. Trust me, when you set aside some time to reflect, you can unlock some of the greatest ideas that are currently hiding away. Slow down, lift your head up from the track, look back and learn from your past, look forward, look ahead, and refocus and let those ideas flow freely. And I'm sure you will grow faster, stronger, better, and be a better photographer, image maker, creator, artist, whatever you do with these two hands. Do you take some time to look back? Do you take some time for yourself? When is the last time you took some time to reflect, and has it benefit you in any way? That's a lot of do-yous. Please tell us in the comments section below. I'm sure there are a lot of people out there, including me, that are eager to see what you guys have to say about all this. As Mariah Carey says, all I want for Christmas is a like and subscribe so you know what to do. Wishing you all a fantastic Sunday, and until next time, please be kind to your friends and family.